Good morning, students. As you know, due to the coronavirus, we can't go outside. So, we will learn or we will continue our study at home. Last time, in the regular classes, we had done our 4 chapters. Now, come to the chapter number 5, that is primary activities. Before we learn the primary activities, we must know about the economic activities. What do you mean by economic activities? The activities which generate income or which are performed to earn are known as economic activities. Those activities which we practice to earn or to earn our livelihood. हमें जीने के लिए जो हम एक्टिविटीज़ करते हैं उन्हें हम क्या कहते हैं? इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटीज़. नाउ क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटीज़. इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटीज़ are classified into 5 categories. Earlier classes, you have learned about the 3 main economic activities. These are primary activities, secondary activities, and tertiary activities. But in this class, we will learn about all the classification of economic activities. We classified economic activities into 5 categories. First, primary activities. What do you mean by primary activities? Primary activities means those activities which are performed by using the natural resources which are gifted by God to us. For example, hunting, gathering, herding, fishing, extracting minerals, meat, hides, skin from animals, growing agriculture crops, etc. All these activities in which we use the natural resources, these are called primary activities. Now come to the secondary activities. What are secondary activities? When we use the uh, primary products as a raw material and convert it into more useful things, those activities are called secondary activities. For example, if we made clothes from the cotton, that is, then manufacturing of clothes will be considered as the secondary activities. It also include manufacturing. Means it also called manufacturing activities. Why manufacturing activities? Because we convert the things into more useful products. Similarly, sugar from sugarcane, rubber from tree products, all these activities are considered as the secondary activities. Now the third one, tertiary activities. Tertiary activities, it does not include any production. इसमें हम कोई भी production include नहीं करते. It provides only services and it includes सर्विसेज एंड ऑक्यूपेशन. ये हमें सिर्फ सर्विसेज प्रोवाइड की जाती है. सर्विसेज दैट कुड बी कंसिडर्ड फ्रॉम अ बार्बर टू अ साइंटिस्ट. एक बार्बर से लेके एक साइंटिस्ट तक जो हमें सर्विसेज दी जाती हैं उन सभी को हम टर्शरी एक्टिविटीज़ की कैटेगरी में रखते हैं. इनमें हम कोई भी प्रोडक्शन नहीं करते. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ट्रांसपोर्ट, कम्युनिकेशन, ट्रेड, एजुकेशन, एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन एट्सेट्रा. All these are the main 3 activities. Now come to the fourth, quaternary activities. Quaternary activities is a sub-classification of tertiary activities. According to Jean Gottman, indirect services could be known as quaternary activities. For example, research. We don't use the research directly. It came from the scientist and in the form of other products. So this is known as quaternary activity. Similarly, a scientist, doctor, lawyer, leaders, administrators, all these are included in the quaternary activities. Last one is quinary activities. Quinary activities means quinary activities are those activities which are concerned with creation and arrangement and interpretation of new and existing ideas. Like a senior businessman or government officials, they create new ideas, new interpretation of ideas, and they create new things like scientists. So all these are considered as the quinary activities. एंड द पीपल हु आर एंगेज इन दीज एक्टिविटीज़, जो लोग इन एक्टिविटीज़ में लगे होते हैं उन्हें हम गोल्ड कॉलर प्रोफेशनल्स के नाम से जानते हैं. दीज आर कॉल्ड गोल्ड कॉलर प्रोफेशनल्स. We will continue this concept in our next video.